but let's talk about the first one, right? The first stock, MGL, reported numbers just in the last hour or so. Sonal is here. Snapshot first for you. Sonal.
Thank you so much for that. Well, Mahanagar Gas, when the numbers were reported, the stock spiked because it was beat on all parameters. If you look at the numbers, revenues in 1976 crore rupees, EBITDA at 485, which compares with 401, margins 300 basis points higher than what the poll was suggesting, and profits higher as well at 324 crore rupees. On a quarter-on-quarter basis, it's a revenue growth of 6%, EBITDA growth of 28%, margin growth of 420 basis points, and profits up 29%. Now, what aided margins this time around, despite the APM gas allocation that came by in this quarter? First was lower spot LNG prices and also price hikes that the company took in the quarter gone by. The raw material costs were flat on a quarter-on-quarter basis despite the gas allocation cut that happened. The other expenses were down 8% as well. But the revenue growth, that was not driven by any volume growth, because volumes, they were flat on a quarter-on-quarter basis, absolutely in line with expectations. It was largely driven by the price hikes that the company took. So Mahanagar Gas continues to be a margin-based story rather than volume-based story, because this growth has come back on the back of price hikes that the company took. The EBITDA per unit also has come in at a multi-quarter high of 12.6 rupees per SCM. It does have valuation support, 12.6 times FY27 EPS, which is the cheapest in the city gas distribution space. So the stock cooled off from the highs, maybe for the reason that it was driven by price hikes, not really volume. So volume growth continues to be a concern for the stock. But overall, if we look from the operational front, yes, it was better than estimates. Yes, valuations are supportive, but volumes are something that management commentary will be required on.
Okay, all right, got it. Thanks for that, Sonal. So Mahanagar Gas in focus. By the way, M&M Finance numbers on